Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today we're going to compare two popular AI-driven tools in the SEO and copywriting space, Scalenut and Jasper AI. Both have been making waves for their innovative features, but which one should you choose as your go-to SEO software? So let's dive in and find out. But before that, if you want to go and access both the platforms and try it for a free trial, you'll find the links down below in the description or in the pinned comment. So first let's talk about Scalenut. So Scalenut is known for its comprehensive SEO capabilities. It offers a unique feature called Cruise Mode that combines AI with SEO guidelines to produce content plans and drafts. This can be incredibly helpful in creating content that is not only well written but also SEO optimized. Another great feature of Scalenut is the NLP, so natural language processing suggestions. So with this, you'll be able to enhance the quality of your content and make it more relevant and engaging for your audience, of course. Now, if we want to talk about the second tool, which is Jasper AI, it has been a favorite for many people. So when it comes to creating high quality, engaging content quickly. So this is the most important feature that people chose Jasper AI for. It stands out for its ease of use and flexibility in generating various type of content. So it is not just about writing articles, it's also about crafting compelling marketing copies, emails, social media posts, blogs, etc. So it's an AI which is trained to produce content that is not only original but also resonates with your target audience. However, every tool of course has its downfalls. So with Scalenut, you might find that its interface and the features has a steeper learning curve compared to Jasper. It could be a factor if you prefer a tool that you can use intuitively from the get-go. On the other hand, while Jasper excels in content creation, it might not offer the same level of in-depth SEO analysis and planning as Scalenut does. Let's go now and check the pricing of both platforms because, as many know, some of us choose the tool depends on the pricing. So it depends on your strategy and how much you're willing to put and invest for your business. So here for Scalenut, they have 4 plans. They have the essential plan, they have a growth plan, a pro plan, and enterprise plan. So essential plan, so if you're using for personal needs, and the growth plan if you're having a small team, and for the pro plan if you're having a larger business, and of course we have also the enterprise plan for biggest companies. Now if we go here, we have the pricing of Jasper AI. They have 3 plans: the creator plan, the pro plan, and the business plan. You can see the features right here of each plan. So the creator is only for 1 users, the pro plan is for a team or small team of 5 people, and the business plan is for a larger team, so big businesses and companies. So which tool you should use or choose? It really boils down to your specific needs. If your primary focus is on SEO and creating content that rank well on search engine, Scalenut could be the tool for you. But if you're looking for a versatile content creation tool, like to manage your articles and same time your social media contents and blogs, then Jasper might be your best bet. I must say that both Scalenut and Jasper AI offer exceptional features that can cater to different aspects of your SEO and content creation needs. So both tools are perfect and amazing. You just have to know what you're really looking for. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget again to go to the links in the description for both platforms or in the pinned comment. See you on our next video.